Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. It is Sunday, March 6, 2021. I just arrived at Casa de Campo in the Dominican Republic. This is 7,000 acres of hotel, villas, and lots of activities and amenities for everybody to enjoy. I will be staying one night in the hotel portion, and I wanted to show you around my room. I am on the second floor. Every room gets their own golf cart that you can use to go about the property. This is kind of a little entry area with a mini bar, and there is a fridge in there. These rooms can connect, so that's a door to connect. I have a king bed in here, TV area and a little desk, nice little sitting area, nice little lanai to look out on the golf course. We have a tub, walk-in shower, the toilet is in there, double sink, and the dressing room. I have not gotten around to explore yet, but I'm excited to see all they have to offer here. And the hotel portion, you can either do an EP plan or you can do an all-inclusive plan. So I look forward to telling you more about this while I'm here and upon my return. So stay tuned.